Hey, bio guys. Hopefully you're doing well. I want to thank you guys. A lot of you are doing your work and getting it done. We got a few people that did not take the quiz yet. Make sure you go on Canvas under quizzes and take that quiz. Okay. It's been good to see you online. I'm glad you guys are doing good. Remember, we are checking in on Canvas conferences from 10:20 to 11:05. Please come in and say hi to me and Miss Iliano. Tuesday there will be no school, so we will not have a conference on Tuesday. That is an off day. We were in meetings all day, me and Miss Iliano. We're gonna get started with this new week. There's one thing for you to do this week, and that's a microscope lab. Today we go into the microscopes, and unfortunately we're not in the classroom where you can use the microscopes and look at them. But this lab's pretty cool, and get as close as you can to it as to the real thing. And you're going to use a microscope. And what do we use a microscope for? Is to see the cells. So we can actually see them at a very high magnification. And these microscopes allow us to see cells. Now, viruses are even smaller. Like the coronavirus, you would need an even more powerful microscope than this because a virus is smaller than a cell, and that's how it's able to get in there. And we look at these, there's different parts to the microscope, all right, that I want to show you and see that you understand. First off, when we look at it, we see this A part. That's the eyepiece. And this is part of your gizmo that you'll do, so you can use these notes to help you. The stage is the B. That is the stage. That's where the microscope, the slide sits on. If you look at the coarse focus knob, that's the big knob. Okay? Big knob. Use first. You always want to use the coarse knob first because that puts things in magnification and it moves the stage up and down. All right, and you always want to use it on low power. You use it on high power, you could break the slide. The fine knob is the little guy. That's D. That is the fine focus knob, and that's what you'll use to put your specimen in its exact frame, and you can see that on higher focus. So you use the coarse knob first, then the fine focus knob. Your objective lenses are up top, and there's usually 3 different magnifications: 10x, 100x, and 400x. Obviously, 10x is smaller. 400x is definitely the more higher resolution. So that would be E. Your slide is F. And so that's your microscope. Of course, you got your light down here. But you always want to remember that you have to use your coarse knob first. So when you get to your gizmo, let me look at it here. Let's see if we can get to your gizmo. And when you get to it, where's it at? There it is. You can see that you have different things here. You want to go to show all samples. And the first thing you're going to click on is the Elodia leaf. And this is all in the instructions. And what you do is with the Elodia leaf, you click on microscope at the top. And you get here. First, use the coarse focus knob to adjust it. See, I have the coarse focus knob. Then you can use the fine. Then you go a little bit higher and higher each time. And there's 400x. The little guy, the little green things are chloroplasts in the plant. And you'll use that to then answer your questions, okay? Landscape, and you're going to test different things: E. coli, sand, blood, neurons. You got all different things that you will look at, okay? And you'll look at under the microscope. Remember to use your coarse focus knob first, and away you will go, okay? To then do your different samples of what they'll be. Each cell looks a little different depending on where it's coming from, okay? So you'll do that. You'll take care of business there. That's the only thing I gotta do this week, guys. Make it happen. This is a good time to get those grades up. Take advantage of this time. I'll be online Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So will Miss Ileana. All right, bye, guys. I love. I miss you. Hang in there. Continue to be safe. Hopefully, things start opening up soon here. But it's going to be a process. That's for sure. All right. Available for questions if you need it. Bye.